Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Chimentiso Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Cousin the First. Those voices on my ear, they does not stop. Every day, they wants to slap my ear. I not know why, but they is killer. Criminal yung bobong camouflage here, Philippines. Bakit, bakit hindi pa siya pinapatay? And then the voice on my ear is Richelle Angemetisa Sr. killing myself. And I want to talk at this moment because myself is unhappy and then they is targeting myself. Please naman no, help. Those voices on my ear is killing me. They is from here Philippines that they tends to kill me because they know that they will be dead because I cite that they is on casket. Now, before it happens, their deadness, they is killing me. They uses black magic. They getting of what is mine. Gold digger pa yung babaeng kabit. I need help. I will finish my camera video at the moment. My storage on phone is full. I could not video myself. It is 3 minute nga lang is content.